Hi, welcome. In this project, we are going to see about a Python related project on IEEE 2020 paper, which is entitled as a mass detection method for shoppers under the threat of COVID-19 coronavirus. The overall concept of this paper is to detect a person whether they is wearing a mask or not. So the system will identify in a real-time scenario whether the masks is available or not, and it will be alerting and giving a warning signal. Let us see the execution of the project now. And I have used real-time camera here right now. You can see it is showing there is no mask, and also you can hear the beep sound as a warning. Right now I will wear a mask and show you. You can see it is displaying as mask and also the beep sound. There is no beep sound right now, so it doesn't give the warning. So right now you can see the face mask detection has been done in a real-time scenario using Python. Thank you.